Hello everyone, welcome back to Dragon Tool channel. Today I'm going to show you a software that can help you to auto create a TikTok ID using a Hotmail. So this is my software. First we have the account management. This section will help you to add and manage multiple TikTok accounts. You can have the TikTok account here like I do, or you can auto create it with Hotmail like this. The information you will need to prepare is email and password of that mail. I'm using Hotmail here. To create account, you will choose right click and create TikTok account by Hotmail. Next, I will set up the number here. There, and then I will prepare the TikTok ID. You can generate this with ChatGPT, or you can type any ID that you want and then press save. You can select the random date of birth. Select the random you want. It will randomly choose the date of birth between two of this. Enter the password you want. For example, this. After everything is set up, you will choose the account and then press start. There you can see it will auto open the browser and it will create the account based on the information that you set up. You can watch how the process on my screen. There, after this, you can see the result that the TikTok ID is created with the password that you set up. There, and you can log in and use this TikTok on this automation tools. You can use this to watch video, watch live stream, interaction script, viral marketing. I have many videos about this on the playlist on my channel. You can check. So basically that is how you use my TikTok software to auto create a TikTok account. If you need more information, you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to the Dragon Tool channel.